I'm the big man, attorney Joey Franks, Big Man Law here in Jackson, Mississippi. And we are back with Judge Simpson today. We have a couple of actual cases. I think they occurred on the same day. And they're short cases. So this one we put two of them together. We're not tying y'all up for half an hour. But some interesting stuff going on. And let me know in the comments which one of these cats you think is a little crazier. That is to say, which one of them's cornbread ain't done in the center. So, without further ado, here's the first one.
Court does call the case of the People versus Cartier Grains.
And for that was the people.
And Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Cartier Drains. Mr. Drains, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the court?
Also files for this block.
Carbon.
He did. He said something. Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
I, Cartier Amani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be
Okay.
represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or straw man. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Hey, you finished? All right, the court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th, 2025. That's at 9 a.m. That is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to say.
Yes.
Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
I'll follow up with you. Thank you.
This guy is out there. He starts in that sovereign citizen stuff. And I was watching the clock to see how quick he lost the judge. Right at the 1 minute mark, maybe 59 seconds, Judge Simpson checks out. If you think it happened before then, let me know, because you can just tell on his face. He even says, okay, yeah, you know. When people start in on that sovereign citizen stuff, legal minds check out. And what does it mean by check out? It doesn't mean we're not listening or anything. We've heard it. We know what the spill is, and we don't agree with it, and we know what's about to happen to you from there. So don't do it. It has no benefit. Crazy stuff. Rolling into the second video. This one is not sovereign citizen, but I think his cheese done slipped off his cracker, and spoiler alert, judge knows it.
Does call the case of the People versus Stephen Javon.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Javon, who's approaching.
Big DA had my social security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
If you ever took that for the people.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this
Can you
matter.
state your name for the record, sir?
Red Crockett. I haven't had any income or nothing. It shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my
Hang
birthday.
on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They had that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation. in which I'm
Okay,
still
no,
going through
no.
stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something
Okay.
happened
Okay, but I just
not
need
too
to
long
know,
ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just excited to kill this case, man. Because this case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
what art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report and they got me.
Okay, all right.
doing this stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on. At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
Boy, I was.
all right. Counsel, what do you want to do on this?
Can we approach, please?
No,
I
Maybe
can't keep
approach-
going because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going that stuff with it. Just doing stuff. I mean, I've had two.
this is gonna be
cases
important.
this year.
It's okay, yeah, come on.
This is an open and shut state. I shouldn't be.
All right. Go ahead. Okay, what are we, record to reflect, you had a brief bench conference in this case. What are we doing with this man?
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any statement?
Valuation,
Any-
and they almost killed me. Man,
Sir,
better get me out this room, man. They
Sir,
almost killed me, man.
sir,
I can't
sir.
keep going through this, man.
sir.
I'm not gonna go
Sir.
through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest. Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna say,
He got-
sir, I'm gonna say,
something now.
sir, one
I
more
had a
time.
Reaction to that.
Sir.
Almost was dead from that allergic reaction, man. You and Collins, man. Already a conflict of interest.
I'm gonna order a competency evaluation, parental
I'm gonna order you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. Pretty,
And-
I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You wanna know
I leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
'Cause
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get- I'm gonna
evaluation from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
this to
gonna
me
get
again.
through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right?
Not
If
gonna-
you don't want to conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me. I almost
I'm gonna
died,
let you
man.
go
I'm
on
not
and try to
gonna be,
get it
I'm
all
not gonna
out.
be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not gonna be taking something that I'm not.
All right, I'll
No.
tell you what I'm gonna do. I've given you 2 warnings. I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Man, you sitting there. I'm finna
You
get
need
you
to
in trouble.
go with
Okay.
them. Call
I'm a-
security, call security down.
Courtroom the same way, but- Man, you, that's court the same way. You a part of something that did something to me, man. all the time.
You guys might want to go check back there. That, I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay.
That's his back.
What?
backpack.
What about his backpack?
Oh, it's your backpack? Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
So make it.
On this guy, he's changed his name somehow. I didn't see any legal documents or anything that says he changed it legally, which is really odd. And I felt really bad for his public defender. I'm assuming that's what it was, because she's just kind of got to sit there and catch the bricks from this. And that's just got to suck. I've been there before, and it's not the most pleasant thing when you've got somebody you know they're not quite all there, and you're trying to take steps to help them. And they all seem to be doing it. And the prosecutor even asked to approach, and she says no. And eventually lets them approach. Of course, it goes off the record, and they come back on the record, and they're going to order a competency evaluation. Beautiful part is this guy turns around and says, "No, Judge, I order a competency evaluation for you." Well, you got to get humor where you can sometimes. But neat thing. Anyhow, y'all be good.